Hello family, Sir here, and in this video we are going to do a house tour for a property here in Charlotte. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,400 square feet, and it was listed at $240,000. Stick around. I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, personal finance, real estate, and all things Charlotte. So if you're interested in any one of those, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so you can be notified for when we drop new videos. Now, I'm showing this property because I get messages and emails from people asking for more affordable homes or to show them more affordable homes in the Charlotte area. Now, this property was only available for a little more than a day before it went under contract. And if I was going to bet, I would bet that it went under contract for more than the $240,000 because it's in a good area and the house shows very, very well. Let me know your thoughts. Come on inside and let's take a look. Again, this property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, just under 1,400 square feet, and it is a 1-car garage. Now, when you come in, you do have this narrow hallway. To the left, you have the 1-car garage. And then it opens up to the living room, vaulted ceilings. That is a functioning fireplace. This is just a cozy home, well kept. And again, this was asking $240,000, and I did the math earlier. For $240,000 with a 3.5% mortgage interest rate, you're talking about a mortgage payment of just under $1,100 a month. Now that does not include taxes and insurance. Now let's go inside and look at the bedrooms. Here it is. You have bedroom number 1, a good size, perfect for a kid's bedroom. Going into bedroom number 2, good size for a younger kid or home office. This is the first bathroom, the shared bathroom. Now we're about to go into the owner's suite. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Again, this property was $240,000 and it was on the market for a little more than a day before it went under contract. If you would like to see more properties like this or in this price range, please also leave a comment and let me know. I'll talk to you soon.